This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Abby Rivera. Waterfront ranch on private 1+ acre lot in Great Neck Point, newer dock west/boat lift and ramp to floating dock, upgraded geothermal system, huge saltwater pool west/newer liner and new pool heater 2020, wired for sound inside/out, well appointed, bright kitchen west/waterviews, custom bar west/wine fridge, 2 fridge drawers and ice machine, guest house west/full bath, kitchenette and separate office/Zoom room, professionally landscaped west/sprinkler system, outdoor kitchen west/fridge, ice machine, grill plus pizza oven, interior and exterior gas fireplaces plus custom stone fire pit, freshly painted throughout and move-in ready. For more information, review the